Good day everyone, we are the Group 1. Our title is Lying to Protect a Life, Kantian Ethical Analysis. Now, our group mates are Dwayne Carpio, Jen Castillo, Ronald Manoo, Jobet Farley, Jasper Badong, Rickster De Roca, and lastly, Mariel Aquino. So in our presentation, there is a content. Those are introduction, Kantian ethics, Kant's view on lying, the dilemma, Kant's response, counter-argument, modern perspective, and conclusion. Each of our member has a designated part to explain the contents. So let's take a look in introduction. Ethical analysis on the dilemma. Is it morally acceptable to lie in order to protect a life? We will apply Immanuel Kant's categorical imperative to examine these issues. Let's begin by understanding the Kant's ethical principles. This presentation explores Kant's categorical imperative and how it applies to real-life moral choices. Our goal to understand if lying to save a life can ever justify under Kantian ethics.
Kant's categorical imperative. Kant's moral philosophy centers on duty, not consequences. His categorical imperative has three main formulations. Universality. Can your action be a universal law? Respect for person. Treat individuals as end, not means. Autonomy. Act as if you are a moral lawgiver for everyone. We will apply all three to our scenarios.
Imagine this. Your close friend is hiding inside your house. A dangerous criminal comes to your door and asks, "Is your friend here?" If you tell the truth, your friend could die. And if you lie, you save a life, but violate the duty to truth. So, what should you do?
Universalisability. Can I will that action become universal law if everyone live to protect someone and trust would collapse, lying becomes meaningless if it's always allowed. So according to Kant, lying is not universalisability, can be good intention.
Respect for a person's assents. Here's the second formulation. Treat people as ends in themselves, not merely as means. By lying to the criminal, are we using him as a means to protect our friend? Perhaps, but we are also respecting our friend's dignity and right to live. There's a moral
Autonomy and moral legislation. The third formulation tells us to act only in maxims that can be accepted by all rational beings. If we lie, we interfere with the criminal's ability to make rational moral choices. But is not saving a life also a universal duty? Can that override truth-telling?
Modern or contemporary perspective on ethical decision-making recognize that strict rules might not always apply in every situation. For example, some ethical frameworks allow for exception in life-threatening cases, where breaking a rule might be justified to save a life. There is also ongoing debate between duty-based ethics, doing what is morally right, no matter the outcome, and outcome-based ethics focusing on the consequences and overall good. This tension shapes many modern discussions, especially in areas like medicine, law, and public policy, where difficult decisions often involve choosing between following rules strictly or aiming for the best possible result.
Kant would likely say lying is always wrong, but real life is complex. Our group believes that in this case, protecting a life justifies the lie, even if it violates God's law. We uphold the value of human life while recognizing the weight of moral truth. Thank you.